Hello, my name is INTAN FANGGIDAE, and in this video I'm gonna share with you about what is a report text. So here we're gonna talk about what is the definition of a report text, and then we're gonna talk about the structure, the language features, and also the characteristic, and the last one is we're gonna talk about an example of a report text. So are you excited? Let's dive into it. So the first one is the definition of a report text. What is a report text? Report text is one type of text in English that describes the details of an object. The explanation in the report text is the result of observation, research, and studies on various things. Report text has a purpose to describe the object as it is in accordance with the author's observations. Then, what is the structure of a report text? And report text has two structures. The first one is general classification, and the second one is the description. Like other English text, report text has a structure or generic structure that you need to know. And the first one is general classification. The first structure is the first part that contains various general information based on the observations made by the author. And the results of this observation can be in the form of animals, natural phenomena, plants, and other topics in detail. The second one is the description. The second structure of the report text is in paragraph 2 and has the same function as descriptive text. It is to describe more in details the result of the author research in detail. And the third one is we're gonna talk about language features of a report text. In addition to the generic structure, the report has linguistic elements or language features that you need to know. And here are some language features that you need to know about a report text. The first one is general nouns, such as reptiles in Komodo Island. The second one is relating verbs to explain features such as reptiles are scary animals, and this feature is used for all reptiles. The third one is action verbs explaining characters such as lizards cannot fly. The fourth one is present tense to express common things, such as Komodo dragons usually weigh more than 160 kilograms. The fifth one, technical terms such as water containing oxygen and hydrogen. The last one is paragraph with a topic sentence to organize information. Next, we move to the characteristic of a report text. Report text has 9 characteristics that you need to know in order to be able to distinguish report text from other text. So the first one is report text contains scientific facts. The second one, the title of the report text looks general or it can be recognized by readers who don't have competence in the science of the report text topic. And the third one is usually accompanied by pictures and statistical data to prove the result of an author's observations. And the fourth one, report text sentences use simple present tense sentence patterns. The fifth one, report text uses common nouns as a language feature, general nouns. The sixth one is using verbs that are interconnected according to the language features, namely linking verbs and relative verbs. The seventh is report text consists of an object and added with other objects. The eighth one, report text describes various kinds of groups and not individuals specifically. The last one is report text uses conditional logical conjunction, for example, so, when, and so on. So, the last one, we're gonna look at one example of a report text. And here is the example of a report text that is Komodo dragon. Alright, I think that's all that I can share with you about what is a report text, and hopefully it can be useful for all of you guys. Thank you so much, bye bye!